What's up, YouTube? So I tested the rod that I glued back together. Yeah, it actually worked. I caught some fish. I caught a few bluegill and one baby largemouth. I didn't get much footage of it. Y'all could probably barely see me, but that's okay. Yeah, I didn't get much footage of it. I was not very prepared for this video like I thought I was going to be. I need to invest in better equipment. I need to get a chest mount. I tried clipping it to this bag. That didn't work too well. I set it up on that ledge right back there. Right there. And that didn't work too well. But I do got some clips of the fish that I caught, and I'm gonna throw those in here in a minute. I just want to say Loctite super glue is amazing. You got a broken rod, glue her together. Look at that. Ugly, but it works. I caught fish, guys. I caught a lot of fish. The reel was also breaking, and I got a horrible knot in it. That's actually why I quit, because the knot made it to where I couldn't cast more than like 2 feet out in front of the rod tip, and that's not enough. Now with one of these little spinners that I'm using, the fish like to chase them quite a bit before they bite, and yeah, 2 feet is not enough chase room. But yeah, I'll throw those clips in right here. Got one. He swam off. Kind of not fair. I'm over here spot fishing. Caught 2 fish on the rod that's glued together. The reel is breaking, and this is my second fish. Fish number 3, little teeny tiny thing. Rod is holding up. Reel, not so much. This reel's breaking, y'all. I'm sitting here cranking in these fish. I fell over, but I caught a little baby bass. All right, I hope y'all enjoyed. I got more videos coming out. I got a bunch of footage that I need to edit, so I do got more videos coming out, but for now this is what you get. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and maybe I'll start using this more often in challenge like videos. We shall see. Till next time, guys. That knot, man.